Hi everyone, Amy at Waters Garden Center, talking to you today about a true dwarf spruce. This is called a dwarf Alberta spruce. Yes, this is not its full-grown size, but this is almost its full-grown size right here. So dwarf Alberta spruce, they can be a perfect Christmas tree. They're also a great tree for a small space because, again, they are a true dwarf. So this guy is pretty young, and he is only going to grow about an inch a year. That's why they make great trees for smaller spaces. So for this guy to get to this size, it takes a really long time, obviously. Again, only grow about an inch a year. And you'll see that bright green new growth in the springtime. And they always keep this fabulous shape. Obviously, if you get a strange little arm coming off the side, you can trim it up. But they're really super low maintenance. They can handle our soil. They can handle the wind and the sun. They're just really great for this area. And yes, they do make a perfect little Christmas tree, but they're also a great accent tree for small spaces. Full grown, they're only going to be about 6 to 8 feet tall and 4 feet wide. So dwarf Alberta spruce, a great tree for the Prescott area. And if you like what you saw, please like and subscribe.